modular Python framework for the 63-engine NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, Enterprise building the GPT Brain. The evolution of the 63-engine NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, Enterprise, architecture naturally leads to a modular software implementation in which each enterprise capability is represented by an independent Python class or module. In this framework, the GPT Brain serves as the cognitive intelligence layer, while NeuroGov Plus provides specialized enterprise services through dedicated modules such as governance, security, enterprise memory, retrieval augmented generation, RAG, workflow orchestration, compliance, auditability, monitoring, dashboards, and executive intelligence. The proposed project structure creates a scalable and maintainable foundation where every engine performs a well-defined responsibility while collaborating through a unified orchestration layer. This modular approach promotes separation of concerns, simplifies maintenance, and enables independent enhancement of each enterprise capability without affecting the overall system architecture. The project structure begins with core modules such as main.py, config.py, and GPT_engine.py, which initialize the application, manage configuration, and interface with the GPT Brain. Supporting modules including governance.py, security.py, memory.py, rag_engine.py, workflow.py, compliance.py, audit.py, monitoring.py, dashboard.py, and executive_AI.py provide enterprise-grade services surrounding the cognitive intelligence layer. The engines directory contains the 63 specialized enterprise engines, engine 01.py through engine 63.py, each implementing a distinct business capability within the NeuroGov Plus ecosystem. Together, these modular components establish a clean software architecture that is extensible, model-agnostic, and suitable for deploying governed artificial intelligence across multiple enterprise domains while allowing future AI models and technologies to be incorporated with minimal architectural change. Summary. The proposed modular Python framework transforms the conceptual 63-engine NeuroGov Plus architecture into an organized software platform by separating enterprise capabilities into reusable, independently managed modules. GPT functions as the central cognitive intelligence engine, while NeuroGov Plus delivers governance, security, orchestration, enterprise memory, compliance, monitoring, and executive intelligence through dedicated Python classes. This architecture promotes scalability, maintainability, interoperability, and long-term adaptability, making it an ideal foundation for enterprise AI development and deployment. Power Summary. GPT Brain provides intelligence. NeuroGov Plus provides governance. The modular Python framework provides implementation. Together, they establish a governed, scalable, explainable, and enterprise-ready AI software architecture where 63 specialized enterprise engines collaborate through a unified cognitive intelligence platform. This design enables organizations to build future-ready AI systems that combine foundation model reasoning with enterprise governance, operational excellence, and continuous innovation. About Dr. Pradeep K. Suri. Dr. Pradeep K. Suri is an enterprise AI architect, researcher, author, and technology strategist whose work focuses on bridging advanced foundation AI models with enterprise engineering principles. Through the conceptual development of the 63-engine NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, Enterprise, framework, he explores how cognitive intelligence can be integrated with governance, security, workflow orchestration, enterprise knowledge, compliance, explainability, and executive decision support within a unified architecture. His vision emphasizes modular, model-agnostic, and extensible AI systems capable of supporting diverse enterprise domains while maintaining transparency, accountability, operational resilience, and responsible AI governance. The proposed modular Python framework represents an important step toward translating this architectural vision into an implementable software reference model for next-generation enterprise AI platforms. Thank you for watching video. Dr. Pradeep K. Suri.